Hello, it's Joy here. Today I'm going to this video is totally specific about the project that I've built using Gemini API. So there's a fair warning. I wasn't able to complete the project perfectly due to recent unrest and violence against students in Bangladesh, and I was also part of it. Let's leave all that over there. All right. Before going through the workflow, first of all, I want to discuss about the project. What is the purpose of the project, and how am I using Google Gemini API to enhance my project in case of productivity or easiness of the user. The main idea and the basic core concept of the project is, if a traffic violation is occurring in any streets of Bangladesh, or for example, a local bus or a public bus is taking overloaded passengers or driving recklessly, overtaking too much recklessly, and picking up passengers from the middle of the road, anyone can just pick a picture and just post it on the website, and this will reach to the desired police station if submitted manually. But using AI, I have also implemented some kind of like filtering. If any kind of location matching found in police station, it will also assign the police station automatically. Okay, that's the main basic idea. There is two method of complaining through the website. One is manual complaint, which you can complain using manually by putting up all the input and images yourself. And there is another one, complaint using AI, where you can just upload an image, and if the image doesn't contain any specific information, the model will ask you, or the API will ask you for more information regarding like location or the vehicle number or some kind of title or description. But that's not at all. It will mostly ask for the location and the vehicle number, and you can leave the vehicle number optional. Okay, now let's go through the workflow. The main page is the home page, from where you can navigate to all complaints, where all the complaints are listed, and there is option to go to the new to continue start a new complaint. And if you start a new complaint, it will check if you are signed in or not. If you are signed in, then you can continue the complaint process. But if you are not signed in, then it will redirect you to the signing page. And for your concern, I have implemented a new role system also for its future preferability, where police station will also able to manage the complaints and see the complaint details, so who complained it and what are the evidences. Okay, for that purpose I've actually implemented this role management system. Now if you are not police, then it will redirect you to the destination. After registration, if you log in and your role is not police, then it will redirect to the complaint process. And in the complaint process, there are two, as I said before, there is two main core feature. One is manual, and another one is using AI. If you choose to complain using manually, you can just fill a form, upload images, and write down the description, and it's submitted. Now if you choose the AI, you can fairly enough just upload an image, although there's no option to upload a video right now, and I've actually planned to work it on later. For now it's just only image. You can upload an image of the vehicle that violating the traffic rules, upload an image, and if any details like location or vehicle number is missing, the model will ask you for the details. Once you got the desired output, the desired complaint format, you can just hit the submit button, and it will actually redirect to the complaint details after storing the complaint. All right. Okay, now let's see our application in action. For the submission purpose, I've actually hosted this website on AWS EC2. I really didn't want to mess with GCP, that's why I've actually hosted it in AWS EC2, as I already had account of AWS. So let's just leave that over there. Now we are going to verify and go through each step we have explained in our workflow. First, as I said, on home page there are multiple options. There is option to go to all complaints, and there is option to go to start a new complaint, and there is a sign in, sign out option. This is a sign in and sign out button, and this is the link to all complaints, and this is the button where we can start a new complaint. Now if you click a new complaint, it will pop up you with two options. One is to start complaint manually, which is this one, this right hand side button, and another one is start a complaint using AI. Now, as I've explained, after clicking any of the options, it will check if you if you are signed in or not. Okay, if now we're gonna read the complaint manually because it's really straightforward. You can verify it when I submit the IP address link. Now, if I click complaint with AI, just click it. As I'm not signed in, it will redirect me to the sign in page. So I'm just going to quickly sign in. And after signing, it will redirect me to the desired page. And this right hand side button is actually for video. I haven't implemented the complaint process using video, but for now, image is all we need for the representational purposes and explaining how did I use Gemini API. Okay, now let's choose the image which contains traffic violation. For example, let's take this image. Okay, and now I have actually pre-assigned command, or as you can say chat, which is write me a complaint for this vehicle traffic rules violation. Of course, you can edit it. You can edit it any way you want. But after submitting it, the model will respond to me with something like asking the location and vehicle number, as there is no location specified and the vehicle number is not specified also, but the vehicle number is optional and you can put the location over here. For example, location is like Dhaka and vehicle number, just put a dummy number. Okay, and enter. And now the model got the complete details, and as you can see, location is set to Dhaka, vehicle number is 123434, and complaint details is the bus is overloaded with passengers and is obstructing traffic flow. These are the all details. Now if I hit the submit button, it will take up all the details that have analyzed from the image and the custom you have provided, and will create a complaint which will be listed on the complaint list. As you can see, after completing the complaint process, it redirected me to the complaint details page, where the vehicle number is 123434, which I have actually inputted randomly, and the location is Dhaka, which I also have inputted manually, and the complaint time and the complaint note. What are the violations this vehicle is making right now? If you can do it, like the bus is overloaded with passengers and is obstructing over traffic flow. This is a serious safety hazard, as the bus could easily lose control and cause an accident. As you can see, there are a lot of people. Also, people are standing in front of in the front door of the bus, and if a accident happens, a lot of people are gonna get injured or may die. Okay, this is the main workflow of the Gemini API I have used over here. You take a picture, analyze it, find the violations that the vehicle is making, and if any information such as location or vehicle number is missing, or you need some kind of hint that what kind of violation it is making, the model will ask for it. And when you submit the information without actually filling up any input form, just a short form of information. For example, when I applied, the location input was missing, and the model asked me for location, and I just put Mirul or Dhaka in the input, and it took the location automatically. And finally, when I click the submit button, I have instructed the model to accumulate and aggregate all the information, and by analyzing the images, it will generate complete details. And I've used a Redis based caching system to actually track the images, so that I can actually attach all the images as evidences. As you can see, when after completing the application, the images were listed on the complaint. So this was the overall application process. I know it's not that great, and as a single member of my team, I really don't have a team. I tried my best to actually utilize the AI processes. In future, it may get actually a lot of improvements and upgrades. For now, it's just all that I can build. And I'll provide the IP address for your visibility, also provide the credentials with admin level accessibility, and also provide some instruction to test the application with your thought processes. I don't know. So for now, bye bye.